is Ishita. It was easy for Ishita to clear her CA final in just one attempt at the age of 21. And why not? Coming from a family full of CAs has its advantage. What more, hired by a top auditing company, Ishita's career was at peak. Ishita was a star auditor in her company. Her company loved her for her eye for detailing, and her clients preferred her on the process improvement ideas. At 23, she bought herself a posh apartment and a luxury car she always wanted. Meeting Viren was not an accident. Her CFO father picked a perfect match for Ishita, and she was ready to tie the knot at 25. Arranged marriages are still very popular in India, where Kundali matches decide your compatibility. But it was all perfect for Ishita. She moved from her apartment to Viren's ancestral villa, which was located in a 2-acre plot with all that one can ask for: green space, sunrise view, and everything a wife would love to have. She loved this new life. Viren was a nice man, and Ishita always took his side even when things went wrong. She visited her parents every weekend and always told them how beautiful things were between her and Viren. Meanwhile, Ishita's job was going well, but started to demand more time from 31-year-old Ishita, who's also a mother now. Viren always loved her dal and roti, and irrespective of her busy schedules, she managed to cook for him all 3 times a day. Viren always told her to quit her job, as he earns more than enough for their little family. Ishita, who loved her job, started to reconsider quitting. That's when Viren was promoted as a CEO for a large pharma company, and now Ishita decided to quit. She loved her new life as a homemaker at the age of 36. And why not? She has everything one can ask for. Her day is now filled with cooking, cleaning, sending her daughter to school, and managing Viren's 2-acre property. However, she started to lose some weight and her appetite as well. When asked by family and friends, she told them about her new diet and lifestyle. It is her daughter Arya's 10th birthday today, and Ishita was not even dressed for the occasion. She forgot to invite few guests and was sort of lost during the party. Her parents asked if all was okay. She said she's living her best life. Her dad took pride that he found a best husband for his daughter. Viren was busy with his office colleagues, Arya with her friends, and Ishita was not even complaining being alone in a party. She ensured everything went well, from the cake to the dinner. But when Arya's friends were leaving, Ishita forgot to give them return gifts, though it was packed and labeled. Ishita is a happily married woman and has everything women can ask for. But is Ishita happy, or is she just living in denial, causing more harm to herself? Even if she realizes that she's unhappy and suffering, who can she reach out to? Viren, her parents, or Arya? Or can she even speak about this?